How are you, Norman? Yeah, very nice to see you. Thank you for having me here. I appreciate it. Lily, how are you? Very nice to see you. That's absolutely my pleasure. It's all right. Yeah, as am I. Thanks for all the work you've been doing with my team.
Thank you. We really appreciate your support. I think it was really incredible support. Thank you for saying yesterday about Thomas, like the cousin.
Yes, there was. And it's very nice to see you. It's a great pleasure to be here. Thank you very much.
Also, Jakob from Luton, so for the press. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Yes, very nice to see you. Thanks for all the help.